Here you've got OPPO Reno 3, and let me show you how to activate the installation of unknown apps on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select security, and go a bit lower. Under app installation you will find unknown source installations. So just click here, and now you can give some particular application permission to download another apps from them. So for example, if you would like to give this permission to Gmail, you can smoothly do it by tapping on this switcher, Google Chrome, the same way, and just pick whichever application you would like to give this permission to. And if you would like to download some apps through this source, and then it will be possible. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.